the coverage of American electoral politics in today's news media reveal how enthused we the Indians are at the selection of Kamala Harris, the Californian senator, as the vice presidential nominee by the Democratic candidate Joe Biden. Well, it was speculated for quite some time, ever since Joe Biden declared that a woman would be his vice presidential nominee. Because in fact, during the Democratic primaries, as I remember, as high as 6 women tried, like Kamala Harris, Elizabeth Warren, etc. And none could make up to any significant level in the primaries contest. So obviously, when all the 6 women were denied the Democratic nominee, so there has been an overwhelming demand to pick up a woman candidate. Joe Biden responded to this demand and declared that a woman will be his nominee for the vice president. The moment Joe Biden declared that a woman would be nominee, the black group started demanding that a woman of color or a black woman should be the vice presidential nominee. So Joe Biden had to choose according to the emerging public opinion, and ultimately decided on Kamala Harris. Well, Kamala Harris, what is the reason for choosing Kamala Harris? Well, America is also like any other democratic country where attracting voters do matter, vote banks obviously matter. So we have to weigh several factors while deciding on Kamala Harris. Well, of course, Afro-American community is a very articulating electoral constituency in the United States, especially after the present movement of Black Lives Matter. So Kamala Harris, as an outspoken civil rights activist, as an outspoken critic of government policies, an outspoken critic of racism, she definitely represents this kind of a sentiment that has grown of late after the Black Lives movement has taken a momentum. Well, she has an history also. She is a daughter of, granddaughter of an Indian freedom fighter, and her father, Donald Harris, was a retired professor of Stanford University, was an activist in the civil rights movement too. So obviously she represents a historical backdrop, and she herself was an outspoken, quite outspoken on racism. So obviously that was one reason why Joe Biden might have picked up an activist, a black woman, an Afro-American origin, so in selecting the Kamala Harris. Secondly, Indian American community is also a very active community. There are around 3 to 4 million Indian Americans. Well, Kamala Harris represents the mixed identity. Her mother is an Indian, a Tamil woman who went to the United States at the age of 19, and her father is a Jamaican professor, daughter of two highly accomplished academicians, a cancer researcher and a Stanford professor. Well, she doesn't come from an underprivileged background like the Barack Obama. Well, she comes from a very comfortable backdrop, but certainly her identity as a woman of color matters when it comes to elections. But how far Indian Americans get attracted to Kamala Harris is a $1 million question, because her contacts with the Indian American community is relatively much less compared to Hindu woman Tulsi Gabbard. Kamala Harris has never celebrated her Indian American identity, and more so in her memoirs, she said that her mother brought up as a black girl. So she was more identified with her Afro-American identity rather than an Indian American identity, though she was brought up by her Indian mother after her mother got divorced from her father. Well, this Indian American identity is not a clear case of identity. Certainly it matters, but how much it matters is a $1 million question. And Indian American community after the Modi phenomenon is also politically divided. usually Indian Americans tend to vote towards Democrats. But since the Modi phenomenon, there has been a discernible shift in the Indian American vote towards Republican candidate also. Essentially, after Modi indirect endorsement of Donald Trump that was witnessed in Howdy Modi event also. Of course, an Indian Prime Minister cannot publicly support any candidate in a presidential race in America. But Modi's and BJP's sympathies with Donald Trump were quite evident. So therefore, Indian American community, especially the Gujarati community, how far they identify with Kamala Harris, so is a million-dollar question. So that's another important dimension of whether her selection will benefit Joe Biden in terms of luring the Indian American voter. Third aspect is, well, she is a woman. So American society is a white male dominated society. Anybody and everybody who is not a white male is considered as victim discriminated in American socio-political imagination. So therefore, appealing to the women voters is certainly an important thing, and as an accomplished woman, as an outspoken woman, as Kamala Harris certainly claims, is a serious claimant to this identity, especially given the Donald Trump's poor record in respecting women. Donald Trump is known to make humiliating comments on women also. In fact, the Trump reaction to the selection of Kamala Harris was also uncivilized and unbecoming of President of the United States of America. So that is, given this kind of a background, a selection of a woman of color to the highest post certainly matter in American politics. Third, she is a Democrat and she represents the core spectrum of democratic values and democratic politics. So she can appeal to the wider democratic base. So we have seen democratic political platform divided vertically between Joe Biden and a progressive Bernie Sanders. Well, Kamala Harris will definitely can bridge this yawning gap in a democratic political platform ranging from Joe Biden to Bernie Sanders. Of course, Bernie Sanders also extended support to Biden. So then the fifth aspect was age. The advancing age of Joe Biden is certainly not an advantage to him. Well, of course, his rival Donald Trump is also not young. But certainly Joe Biden cannot prove to be a younger alternative. In a country like America, so having a candidate with 78 years is surprising, in fact. Well, Kamala Harris, 55, can provide this balance of age in White House also. So that also matters, and to an extent it answers the critics of Joe Biden referring to his advancing age. So these are the issues on which Joe Biden identified Kamala Harris. How far that will benefit, we'll have to wait and see. We have to wait till November 3rd.